This is the most popular mall here in this area. So Robinson's Place, Tacloban City. So yesterday I hired Nikki to be my personal assistant.
And now
She's not my personal assistant. She's wearing my backpack. And a lot of Filipinos, they love coming here, especially on their days off, because it's more fun in the Philippines. Jollibee, my favorite. But we're not gonna eat that right now because I've been eating Jollibee so many times. Okay, so let's go shopping.
Shopping? Really?
Oh, come on. Sige na, come on.
Really? Department store?
Window shop.
Oh my
Ma window shopping la ako.
Don't ask. Don't hear.
Huh?
You wanna buy it? 19 pesos for you.
19 down payment.
Oh, I can. What is this?
Yeah, 19 down payment. That's like, how much is that? 19K.
$1.19.
19K. Let me divide it. 19,000 divided by 56.
$340.
$340 down payment.
Mura.
It's not. Huh?
Brand new.
Brand new. What is this? Oh, it's a Nissan. Nissan Navara. Yeah, guys, so all you need is $340 down to buy this brand new car here in the Philippines.
Gas is expensive here. How about in US?
Expensive din. This is my camera. Wow. They have all these cameras here, DJI. So what will you guys buy din here? What will you buy?
You libre?
Mahal din here. Budget? Oh, ano ta akong budget? Oh, sige. Since I didn't bring Pasulobong, I didn't bring them gifts. Maybe I'll buy them something nice. So let me think on a budget where maybe I can buy them. So yeah. Ano't ma-open na budget?
Ikaw, buy it.
I will buy within the budget.
Oh.
We will buy within the budget.
Koan, 600 each.
600 each?
Okay lang ito? Oo. Oo, ano? 600, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's 600 times 6?
3,600.
Oh, 6 times 6, 3,600. That's like $60, $70. I mean, that's fine. Oh, sige. Sige.
1,000.
Dili. 1,000?
Okay, it's very
Slim, huh? Oh, sige. 1,000 each.
Okay. Pero nalaki pa
It's
mo.
only around $18 each.
80?
18. It's good idea for 30-second challenge. We will find something for us.
In 30 seconds?
Yes. And then what we will choose is you will pay.
So you can find something in 30 seconds?
Yes, only 30 seconds.
I don't want you to just grab anything.
Oh,
I want you to grab something that you actually like.
yes, I will.
So that takes time, diba?
Yes.
So,
Already have an eye for that item already.
Maida, you already have an eye?
Yes. I think we're gonna call it 1K challenge.
1K challenge?
1K challenge.
All right, so $20 is their budget, and they get to pick whatever they want. But take your time.
Yeah, we
Okay.
Oh. Ayaw pag rush.
Ayaw ko mga pag-crash kayo. Gusto niya.
My personal assistant, Nikki.
say hi.
Hi, boss.
Hey, I need to change money. Money exchange. We'll go there first. I gotta exchange some money. Still gotta give Kevin the money for the lechon.
Sa Western Union.
Here.
Hey, we're going shopping.
Yeah, we know shopping with Boss Talent.
Shopping today. But first we need money. I need money exchange. I need to get money. Okay, we're at the money exchange. Their rate is $57.90 for $1. I exchanged 400 and the amount is 22,900. So yeah.
Value na, eh.
Yeah, it went up. Yeah, so the Filipino currency went up. It used to be like 50, then 52, 48. Now it's 57, which is a really good rate. The dollar goes a long way here. So yeah, guys,
That's why
400 for 22, about 22,000 pesos, close to 23,000. Good. Okay, guys, I'm giving them 30 minutes. Their budget is $20 pretty much. So I'm giving them 30 minutes to buy anything that's $20.
It's a $20 challenge.
This is my favorite drink. Right here.
It's
Should I buy it for tonight?
Yes, you can buy it, but it's
22,000.
22,000?
Yes.
That's equivalent to like $40. No, more.
more.
More, I know.
Yeah, more.
Is that Hennessy? It's 22,000? Are you sure?
Yes.
Divided by 56? No, it's like $400. Is that real?
Yes.
This one's 499 pesos. And then tacos, the same price as the other one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
There. That's
I
This
shared
one?
two also.
2 pieces.
So, nakapatirawan kay ako buwan na. Paringanay pa ba siya? Grabe ka kakakundis. That's its more.
Thank you.
And yours is which one? Any? That's my Pasulobong gift for them because I didn't bring anything. Yeah.
So our total is 2,394. So I bought for myself and for my sister. Thanks, Steve.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Kaya ako magtatay.
You're welcome, y'all. Huh?
400
And then my PA here, hers was only 400. Thank you. Thank you. You saved me 600 pesos. Thank you for saving me 600 pesos.
Very much happy with this pasalubong from you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. My pleasure, y'all. Still waiting on my PA, my personal assistant. Huh? Kulang? 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 Or sakto?
Sakto lang, sakto. It's okay.
Ay, ito akong change. Kasunod.
Thank you.
Salamat. Thank you.
Thank you, bossing.
So show me what you got. Show me what you got.
Oh, I got this perfume. Thank you.
Okay, open it. Open it.
Thank you, bossing.
Yes, sir. Yup. What did you get?
Yeah.
Oh, the t-shirts, right?
Yeah, it for her.
Yeah, for her. One for her and one for her husband.
No, this is for my husband.
You didn't choose for your husband? She didn't get one for her husband.
It's 399 only.
How much?
399 only pesos.
Oh, that's
3 to $4.
no. That's
I
like
thought-
$6. No, $8. Yeah, eight
Okay.
ocho. Yeah, I already gave you your pasalubong. Remember?
Yeah, I remember. Thank you for the
Vans.
shoes.
Show me the my pasalubong.
Over here. Okay, shows this.
Dang.
490.
$400.
No, that's not dollars.
Oh, 400 pesos.
It's just like about $8.
Yeah,
And this one is.
just about the same. Right? You gotta wear it. You gotta wear it.
Right now?
Sheesh. Hey. Exacto. It won't shrink.
No, it doesn't.
I don't think I need anything. Alright, who's gonna buy me something? Who's gonna buy me something now?
What do you want?
It's my turn, diba? It's my turn.
Then what's yours?
buy you
I need a towel.
Yeah, well.
Oh, sige.
Okay, makati mo kita.
I need a towel for tomorrow for my trip to Southern Leyte. Magkano ba?
Babalik ko na lang ito para may bayad ko tawid.
No, I'm just kidding.
But it's okay. It's paying the bill of... Yun! 1K.
1,000 peso challenge. Thank you, Steve.
Everyone eats. Everyone eats, yo. Everyone eats here. Everyone's gonna eat. I promise you. I'm gonna give this to Mary Chris for her husband.
Thank you. I will buy you.
Yeah. Everybody eats here, man. All my friends, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh!
Okay, so I have 2 more friends that I'm gonna get for, and that's it. That's it. That's all my budget. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Nikki, thank you. She's a good PA. She's a good personal assistant. I'm gonna bless her at the end of my trip, and I'm sure she's gonna be happy, right?
Oh, right. Thank you, bro.
This is a barong, traditional Filipino barong, but it's for kids. Kuya, mayroon ka mo kuhan for adults? Adults? Oh, for kids only? Yes, sir. Oh, okay. Oh, sige, never mind. So this is what they chose. They chose ano yun? Sando. It's kind of like an underwear. No. For home, just for home.
Daughter.
For daughter. Yeah, they want to buy this for their daughters, and some nice formal pants, some slacks for work maybe. But yeah, I think they have like maybe 500 pesos left on the budget, and they're choosing another clothes for
Her daughter.
their daughter. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Or just
No,
this.
it will get over the
Just this
budget.
one? Yeah.
Yes. If we buy that one, we'll get over the
Oh,
budget.
sige. Are you sure? I'm gonna
Sure. Yes.
Oh, sige. 2,000 ini?
Below.
Below.
Sige.
Sorry.
May na pa ko
No,
one
yes,
way.
if we buy this one, it will what go above the budget.
Go. Oh, no, here. Iya.
Yeah.
Gata gayet money.
Ay!
Ang itong coins pa mo.
Ano?
Ano ba nangyay mo? Thank you so much, Steve.
Oh, sige.
We're gonna
Have to
pay.
give me the change, huh?
Okay, okay.
I need the change. Do you know where your towel is? All across.
Oh, over there.
More baby products.
Orange pink.
So 319 pesos, which is equivalent to like $8. That's pretty expensive for a towel here.
Yes.
Is there more cheaper towel po? Mas barato? This is the most cheapest. All right, I got my towel, and that's all I need pretty much. Oh, they're back. They're back. They're back. It's perfect.
There's a discount, so we get
High
big
five.
change.
Wow.
Big change here.
Big change ini?
Yes.
How big?
300.
No, kaya mo yung budget.
We're gonna pay for
For-
the we're gonna buy the leggings pa.
Oh, sige. So they're gonna use it to pay for more leggings. Pwede pa picture po.
Dina. Hi.
Oh, sige, ayos. Where are you?
Putahin!
Kain ka.
Padebanan!
Oh, sige. We will go to the cemetery.
Isus na lorong ka. Lulubog ta ikaw.
Look, ipag-show daw. Ipakita daw.
Kuliwat niyan ha. Kaya kuliwat niyan ha.
We plan to come to Robinson's niyan.
Palit niyan.
Oh, nag-promise ako pag Robinson's after the cemetery. Yeah. Okay, sige. Good night. Huy, ano na oras? 4:30? What time makadto kita sa cemeteryo?
5 p.m.